Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have covered the most important questions related to Nobel Prize. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video with question number 1. Who got the Nobel Prize in Peace for the year 2023? The correct answer is option C, Nargis Mohammadi. Nargis Mohammadi awarded the Nobel Prize in Peace for the year 2023. So remember this. Nargis Mohammadi is an Iranian activist and she awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her fight against the oppression of women in Iran and her fight to promote human rights and freedom for all. And the first Nobel Peace Prize was given to Frederick Passy and Henry Dunant in 1901. So remember all this. Let's see the next question. Who got the Nobel Prize in Economics for the year 2023? The correct answer is option B, Claudia Goldin. Claudia Goldin got the Nobel Prize in Economics for the year 2023. So remember this. She is an American economic historian and labor economist, and she got this award for having advanced our understanding of women's labor market outcomes. Nobel Economics Prize is officially known as the Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel. First Nobel Economics Prize was given to Ragnar Frisch and Jan Tinbergen in 1969. Nobel Economics Prize was established in 1969. So remember this, and the first awarded was given to Ragnar Frisch and Jan Tinbergen in 1969. So remember all this. Let's see the next question. Who won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2023? The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Katalin Kariko and Drew Wisman won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. So remember this. They got the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for their discoveries concerning base modification that enabled the development of effective mRNA vaccines against COVID-19. So remember this. And the first Physiology or Medicine Nobel Prize was given to Emil Adolf von Behring in 1901 for his discovery of serum therapy in the development of the diphtheria and tetanus vaccine put. So remember this. Let's see the next question. Who awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for the year 2023? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Pierre Agostini, Ferenc Krauss, and Anne Heulier. These three are the winner of Nobel Prize in Physics for the year 2023. So remember this. They got the Physics Nobel Prize for experimental methods that generate attosecond pulses of light for the study of electron dynamics in matter. And the first Physics Nobel Prize was given to Wilhelm Röntgen. He discovered the X radiation, so remember this, and he is also known as father of diagnostic radiography. So remember all this. Let's see the next question. Who has been awarded with the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the year 2023? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Mongi G. Bavandi, Louis C. Bruce, Alexei I. Ikimov. These three are the winner of Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the year 2023. So remember this. They got the Chemistry Nobel Prize for the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. So remember this. And the first Nobel Chemistry Prize was given to Jacobs Henriks van 't Hoff in 1901. So remember this. Next question. Who has been awarded the 2023 Nobel Prize in Literature for his innovative plays and prose which give voice to the unsayable? The right answer is option A, John Fosse. John Fosse has been awarded with the Nobel Literature Prize 2023. So remember this. And he got this award for his innovative plays and prose which give voice to the unsayable. So remember this. John Fosse got the Literature Nobel Prize 2023 for his innovative plays and prose which gave voice to the unsayable. And the first Nobel Literature Award was given to Sully Prudhomme in 1901. So remember all this. Nobel Prize in Physics and Chemistry awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Science. Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine awarded by the Karolinska Institute. Nobel Prize in Literature awarded by the Swedish Academy. Nobel Prize in Peace awarded by the Norwegian Nobel Committee. And the Nobel Prize in Economics awarded by the Sveriges Riksbank, Bank of Sweden. Sveriges Riksbank is the central bank of Sweden. So remember this. Let's see some static GK question related to Nobel Prize. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? The right answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian who won the Nobel Prize. He has been awarded with the Nobel Literature Prize in 1913 for Gitanjali. Gitanjali is the collection of poems, so remember this. And he is also the first Indian origin, first Asian and first non-European who win the Nobel Prize. So remember this. Who was the first Indian woman to win Nobel Prize? The right answer is option C, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was the first Indian woman to win Nobel Prize and she has been awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. So remember this. Next question. Who is the youngest Nobel Prize winner? The right answer is option C, Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai is the youngest Nobel Prize winner. She is from Pakistan and she won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 along with Kailash Satyarthi. So remember this. And the oldest person who win the Nobel Prize is John B. Goodenough. He is 97 years old and he won the Nobel Chemistry Prize in 2019. So remember all this. Next question. Which of the following awarded with the Nobel Prize for both physics and chemistry? The right answer is option B, Marie Curie. Marie Curie is the first and only woman who got the Nobel Prize in different field. So remember this. She got the Nobel Prize in physics in 1903 and she got the Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1911. So remember this. Linus Pauling is the first man who won the Nobel Prize in two different fields. He got the Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1954 and he got the Nobel Peace Prize in 1962. So remember this. Next question. Which organization has been awarded a Nobel Prize 3 times? The right answer is option B, International Committee of the Red Cross. International Committee of the Red Cross is the only organization who got the Nobel Prize thrice. So remember this. International Committee of the Red Cross has been honored 3 times with the Nobel Prize in 1917, 1944 and 1963. So remember this. And the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees has received the Nobel Peace Prize twice in 1954 and 1981. So remember this. Next question. When was the first Nobel Prize awarded? The right answer is option B, 1901. First Nobel Prize was awarded in 1901. Nobel Prize is awarded in memory of Alfred Nobel. So remember this. And Alfred Nobel is the inventor of dynamite. So remember this too. Let's see the next question. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics? The right answer is option A, Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen is the first Indian who received the Nobel Prize in Economics. Amartya Sen and Abhijit Banerjee both received Nobel Prize in Economics. Amartya Sen received this award in 1998 and Abhijit Banerjee received this award in 2019. So remember this. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who got the Nobel Prize in Peace for the year 2023? Give the answer in the comment box. I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then press the like button and share it to all your friends. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel for latest content. Thank you so much.